Welcome you all in today's class, that is of standard 5th. And the lesson we are reading, that is related with the computer software. And we are now on general purpose application software. We can call it packages also, because whenever we purchase these kind of softwares, we have to purchase the full package, right? We can't purchase even a single software from it, just like Microsoft Office, right? Then we have to purchase complete Microsoft Office. We can't purchase its software separately, right beta? Next is uh, general purpose application softwares are the softwares which can be used for specific work, right? These software can perform the task of fulfill the general needs of the user. Normal needs can be fulfilled by these softwares, and the very first software from the package is number one, word processing software. What is word processing software? A word processors helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. Look students, if you want to write any letter, or if you want to write any paragraph, or you can say essay, or you can if you want to prepare a report in which you have to explain each and everything by words, then you can use word processing software. And the example of word processing software is MS Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. These are the names of the software which are general purpose, and it is related with word processing software. Word means a word, combination of letters, right? Like a processor. Processor has a PROCESSOR. These are the letters, and with the combination of these letters, we make a word. And when we want to write so many words into the computer, then we need Microsoft Word, that is word processing software, right, beta? What is the main advantage of these kinds of software? फायदे क्या क्या हैं? Number one, we can easily add. If you want to add some lines or any words in the program, you can add. Delete, you can delete also. If you found that you type something wrongly, then you can delete or change. Rearrange, if you think that the words are in jumbled order, कुछ words आगे हैं कुछ पीछे, then you can rearrange them or beautify the text, means you can format the text, means you can give color to them, you can give size, right? You can give a writing style, that is font, and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per your requirement. What is hard copy? When we get print out of our file, suppose this page which you are watching at that time, then if I give command of this page to the printer, then printer will print out, right now. Then printout copy is hard copy. You can see that if you have your book with you, then the page of book which you can touch is hard copy, and the screen which I am showing you, the same page is in the screen, but it is not hard copy, it is soft copy, which we can't touch. This is soft copy, and which page we can take in our hand, that is hard copy, right beta? So in word processor we can take hard copy as well, means we can take printout. Next is electronic spreadsheet. What is electronic spreadsheet? Look students, a spreadsheet program helps us to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in a better way. Calculation and display data in a form of chart. Look students, I am showing you this kind of spreadsheet. Look students, this is MS Excel, and this is the example of spreadsheet, right? I'm going to enlarge it so you can see it very clearly. Look students, you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same way, their name. Suppose A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Means we can write in spreadsheet in the form of a table. It is just like a table. You can see. Now you can observe, right? So the same way we are explaining in this lesson, a spreadsheet program helps us to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze it in a better way. Means with the help of this chart, we can explain everything, we can understand everything very easy way or in better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. As you can see, I write here numerical data also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I am also using alphabets in it, right? So the spreadsheet software is used to prepare some tables, some charts, some graph, etc. in the computer. Financial accounting, cost accounting means these are the some performas which we can create in it. For your purpose, your timetable is must. As you can see the timetable into your diary, school diary, then you can observe, or maximum time you go through from the timetable which is pasted, always pasted outside of your class, right? Then the same timetable we can prepare, we can create in the Excel. I hope you are understanding the concept, right? The example of this electronic spreadsheet is number one, Microsoft Excel, which I shows you. Then Lotus 123, that was the old version of it, very first version of it. Nowadays, we are not using Lotus 123, right? Then OpenOffice org. This is the another office, just like MS Office. नेक्स्ट इज ओपन ऑफिस ORG कैलकुलेटर के नाम से, CALC, इट इज अ शॉर्ट नेम ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट इज डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. What is database management system? Each one of us uses database knowingly in our unknowingly in our daily routine. Look students, database, data means whatever you type into the computer, this is your data, and we have to store this data into the computer. Suppose school always keep record of their students, like your name, your class, your roll number, your admission number, your parents name, your address, your email ID, your fees details, right? Your co-curricular activities, everything, your sports activities, everything is recorded in the school, right? And what kind of file we used to storing this, that is MS Access, right beta? So if we want to save huge amount of data, बहुत सारा data, huge means बहुत सारा, huge amount of data, then we can use DBMS, database management system, and the example of database management system is MS Access, right? This is the shape of or logo of MS Access. It is also comes in Microsoft Office. If you install Microsoft Office package, then all these programs will install automatically into your computer, right? Then you can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print, and retrieve the information stored in the database. Like student, in MS Word or in MS Excel, same in this software also, we can create some tables, we can add some data in it, we can find something if you want to find any letter or any word or any record, and update, we can change it, we can if any new change is coming, then we can update it. Sort क्या होता है? Ascending and descending order. I hope you know it. From ascending what? From small to big, right? And what is descending? From big to small, right? जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is ascending, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this is descending order, right? So we can change our data automatically with the command in Access, right beta? Then we can search anything, print, we can give print out and retrieve the information stored in database. And if you store the data, once in the computer, then in database, then you can see it anytime after any after uh, so many years, no problem at all. Whenever you need it, you can see the data and you can use that data after so many years also. Then the example of it, the Microsoft Access, मैंने बताया कि ये तो आपका MS Office के साथ ही आता है. Then Open Office ORG, इसमें क्या नाम है इसका, Base, right? And Fox Pro, this is the oldest version of it. Oracle, we can use it also, right? So next is presentation software. I hope you already see the presentation software in your fourth standard. That was PowerPoint, right? It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. Means if you want to show your idea, if you show the, if you want to show your idea to the your friends or your relative or your parents or your co-workers, then you can create a presentation to show your idea. I'm going to show you a presentation in which you can see the slideshow, how you can use it. I'm going to open it. This is the example of PowerPoint. Suppose I'm going to see you this software. This is our PowerPoint, and when I start it, you can see the change. Look, students, this is the PowerPoint, just like a movie. Look. I hope you are understanding.
Okay, sir.
Like this, one by one, the matter will come automatically, right? So this is the example of PowerPoint, right, beta? So we are, I am stopping my lecture here because, okay, let's end it. Desktop publishing software. Look, students, your book is printing, your cards are printing, visiting cards are printing, calendars are printing, your register copies are printing. All printing work is performed with the help of desktop publishing software. और इसके एग्जाम्पल क्या क्या हैं? Corel Draw, Adobe Design, InDesign, Quark Express, one more is there, that is PageMaker, right? तो ये सब सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं जो आपके डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग के काम में आते हैं, राइट? ग्राफिक सॉफ्टवेयर, इट इज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट इमेजेस सच एज चार्ट, ग्राफ, फोटोग्राफ, लोगोस, कार्टून्स. एंड ये देखो, ये जो आपने फोटो नजर आ रही है, ये लोगो नजर आ रहा है, फोटो नजर आ रही है, ग्राफिक, ये सब बनाने के लिए, ड्राइंग बनाने के लिए वी हैव सम ग्राफिक सॉफ्टवेयर्स. ग्राफिक सॉफ्टवेयर्स,
Yes, sir.
graphic softwares. And the last is multimedia software. It is used to create video, animation, sounds, graphics.
Okay.
Text with high degree of interaction. और लास्ट है बेटा स्पेशल पर्पस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर. कस्टमाइज का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? कस्टमाइज मीन्स व्हेन वी वांट टू, व्हेन वी एबल टू चेंज इन सॉफ्टवेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, यानी अपने अनुसार हम अपने सॉफ्टवेयर को चेंज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द रूल, राइट? सो इसका एक एग्जांपल हमारे पास है, जैसे टैली, बिजी, ये आपके लिए नए नए वर्ड्स हैं और अभी आपको इतना समझ में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन बस आपने ये समझना है कि व्हाट इज कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर. कस्टमाइज मींस अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, हमारे अनुसार जो चीज होती है, दैट इज कस्टमाइज, राइट? जस्ट लाइक आजकल लोग अपनी बाइक को, गाड़ियों को कस्टमाइज करवा लेते हैं ना, अपने हिसाब से शेप चेंज करा देते हैं, स्टिकर्स लगा देते हैं, लाइट चेंज हो जाती हैं, दैट इज कस्टमाइजेशन, right beta? In the same way, with the software we can also perform this action. This is customized. Then these kind of software is called customized software. And the example of it, like reservation system, billing system, payroll system, etc., right? So I am ending this lesson here, and I am going to unmute you all. After that, you can ask any question because we have still have 8 minutes. I am going to unmute you, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, electronic spreadsheet का.
Beta, I will take this point in my next meeting, right? Because the time is
Okay, sir.
almost over. We have less than 1 minute now, and we have to end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Beta. Okay. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Bye, sir.